Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make motion tags in CapCut. So here I'm using CapCut for PC, and for example I will be add this video at the clip, and then I'm going to add the tag. Just click text and default text. For example, you can resize and adjust for the position like this as you like, and adjust for duration. And then you can find the keyframes icon in position and size option. Just swipe up and here's just click add keyframes, and you can move the position like this and move the text as you like. Do as before until the finish like this. Just simple. Okay, yes. And here we go. You can click this play button for the result. So here we go. Okay, just simple. That's how to make motion tags in CapCut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciation and extra thanks. Bye bye.